Imagine retiring early and enjoying the freedom to do what you love without worrying about money. It's not just a dream, it's possible with the right plan. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to achieving financial independence and retiring early. Let's get started. The first step toward early retirement is defining your financial independence number. This is the amount of money you'll need to retire and cover all of your living expenses without needing a job. Start by calculating your annual expenses, then multiply that by 25. This is based on the 4% rule, which states that if you withdraw 4% of your savings each year, you'll have enough to live off without running out of money. For example, if your annual expenses are $40,000, you'd need $1 million invested to retire comfortably. The next step is to save aggressively. To retire early, you'll need to save a higher percentage of your income than the average person. Aim to save at least 50% of your income if possible. This means cutting unnecessary expenses and adopting a frugal mindset. It's not about depriving yourself, but rather focusing on what really matters. Track your spending, create a budget, and look for ways to reduce costs, whether it's through downsizing, cutting subscriptions, or cooking at home. While cutting expenses is important, increasing your income will help you reach your financial goals even faster. Look for ways to boost your earnings, whether it's through side hustles, freelancing, or investing in skills that can lead to higher-paying opportunities. Many early retirees build multiple streams of income to accelerate their savings, so consider ways to diversify your income sources, such as rental properties, investments, or online businesses. Saving is just one part of the equation. To grow your wealth and retire early, you need to invest wisely. The stock market is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth over time. Focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer broad market exposure with minimal fees. If you're new to investing, consider consulting a financial advisor to help you build a diversified portfolio. The key is to let your investments grow while reinvesting any returns to take full advantage of compound interest. Passive income is essential for early retirement. It's money that comes in without requiring constant effort, allowing you to sustain your lifestyle while retired. Some of the most common sources of passive income include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, and online businesses like e-commerce or digital products. Start building these income streams while you're still working, so they're well established by the time you retire. Retiring early also means planning for healthcare costs and ensuring you have enough saved in your retirement accounts. If you retire before Medicare eligibility at age 65, you'll need to explore alternative health insurance options, such as private plans or healthcare exchanges. Additionally, take full advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks while you're working. Maxing out these accounts can provide a significant boost to your savings and reduce your taxable income. Achieving financial independence and retiring early requires discipline, strategic planning, and a long-term vision. But by following these steps, defining your goal, saving aggressively, maximizing your income, investing wisely, and building passive income streams, you can make early retirement a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and strategies.